Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everyone. Here in this video, I want to teach you about speaking skill, especially in speaking about this picture. Okay, so but before that, I just want to check your focus first. Every multiple of three, you have to say verb. Okay, you understand?
Okay.
Okay, one, two. For the example like this, for the example, 1, 2, boom, 4, 5, boom. Are you ready?
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Start from now. 1, 2,
Boom.
4, 5.
Boom.
Okay. Thank you. So, yeah, a good focus before teaching. So, for the first time, I want to teach you about how to mention. Now, maybe before you describe, before you speak about this picture, you have to make sure that your student is understand what do they want to speak in the first. For example, in the first, you may say, you may say, in this picture I can see blah blah, or there is, or there are. Maybe in your picture there is one person, you use there are. If it's more than one person, you may use there are. But if it's only one person, you will use there is. Okay, that's for this step. Okay. In this picture, I can see blah blah blah. So to make sure that your students understand about the material, I need to give you the simple vocabulary. Maybe vocabulary. What else? Mountain. Class. Teacher.
Student.
Oh yeah, thank you. And student. Okay? And student. This is the simple vocabulary. If you find this in your picture, you may use this vocabulary. Okay? So, in the first, if you want to describe about this picture, you may say, in this picture I can see, for example, like this. In this picture, I can see there are many flowers. We use there because it's not only one flower, but it's more than one flower. So that's why we use there. There are many flowers here, and I can see the moon and the other. So like that. So do you understand about this, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So because you have understood about this material, now I will give you the picture that you should describe this picture. You should speak about this. Okay?
Okay.
So wait, please. Okay, here in this section, I want to show you this picture and you have to describe it. You have to speak about this picture. Okay? So the picture is this. Do you see this here?
Yes.
Okay. So now I want you to what? I want you to speak about this picture. What can you see in this picture? Or as what I said earlier, you may use in the first in this picture I can see blah blah blah. Or this picture so about blah blah blah. For example like that. Or if the picture is related to you, you may use this picture reminds me here. This picture reminds me of blah blah blah. So you may use this method. Okay? Are you ready?
Ready.
So come on. I will give you this picture and you have to describe this picture.
Thank you.
Come on, try to describe. That's great explanation of you how to describe. Oh, it's very good. So, because we have studied about this material, especially about speaking, about pictures material. So now, after you describe this picture, I need you to work in pair. Okay? Maybe it's you work in pair and you have to discuss about another picture. So now I will give you another picture and you have to discuss about it and you have to speak about this picture, about those pictures. You understand? Okay? You know. Okay. After distributing this picture, I need you to work in pair and you have to discuss about the picture. It's around 5 minutes to discuss. Okay? And after that, you have to speak about the picture with your pair. Tell everything about this picture, the vocabulary, what can you see there in the picture. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, good. Yeah, start from you. Come on. What do you see in the picture? Okay, good. And you, how about you? What can you see in your pictures? Oh, okay, good. So, after that, because our material is enough, so maybe before closing, I will give you another picture and you have to discuss about this picture. For the example, this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yeah, you can see there is one father or one hero here. Yeah. What? Yeah. Okay, that's good. He is wearing a yellow clothes here. Yeah. So what else? Anything else?
Enough, sir.
Yeah. And he is smile. Okay, good. Thank you. So in this picture, you can see there is person who are wearing the yellow clothes and his face is smiling. He is smiling because someone is taken his picture. Okay, so that's why she is smiling. He is smiling here. Okay. Okay. So okay, everyone. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your nice attention. So because the material is over and the time is over, so let's close our meeting this morning by reciting Hamdalah together.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.